How to enable or disable show hardware layers updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra or the Edge. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Then from here, scroll down, then tap on show hardware layers updates. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Here it says flash hardware layers green when they update. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.